Then I want to ask you as a whole, क्योंकि शूटिंग में ही पूछ सकता हूँ आप टॉप लेवल शूटर, लेकिन एज अ होल क्या 2012 मैं 2004 से ओलंपिक्स कवर कर रहा हूँ, तो क्या बॉडी लैंग्वेज, कॉन्फिडेंस, इन सब में चेंज आया, मेंटल मेकअप में चेंज है हमारे प्लेयर्स में इन लास्ट 10, 15, 20 ईयर्स?
Okay, a quick wrap up on what happened on day 3 here in Paris. Gagan Narang, the silver medalist at the London Olympics in the 10-meter air rifle, is the chef de mission for the Indian contingent. He came to the main press center at a suburb called Portimelo, and he had a few words, with the Indian media here. First and foremost, he said that the medical facilities established by the Indian Olympic Association has been outstanding and used by the athletes and appreciated as well. The first one to do so was Rohan Bopanna, and almost every athlete is happy with the arrangement there. And two, he also said, requested the media to avoid reporting in a negative way so that the morale of the athletes are kept high. And he said the aim of all the athletes, it's always been right from the days he has been shooting, it's been to win a medal. So that's it. And he said he will keep updating the media about what's happening in the village and all. The village itself, he said, has been up to the world-class facilities on par with the previous Olympics, where he has gone and shooted and taken part in different capacities. Then, of course, the Indian archers, 6 of them took part in the ranking qualification round of the archery in the individual category. Individually, it was not a great day for the women, but Dheeraj Bommadevara excelled in the men's section, finishing overall 4th. But the Indian women's team, they got a direct entry into the combined points of the 3 women, Deepika Kumari, Ankita Bhagat and Bhajan Kaur, and also in the men's section, Tarundeep Rai, Dheeraj and Praveen Jadhav. They tallied enough points to get a direct entry into the round of 64, which will be actually played tomorrow. So here is a short clip of my conversation with S. Sabanayakan, who is very well versed in archery. Hi folks, I'm Vishwanath. I'm once again with S. Sabanayakan, who is an expert on archery. Sabha, how would you wrap up the first day's performance of the 6 Indian archers?
Well, it's a mixed day for Indian archery. Women especially did not do very well, and among the men, Dheeraj Bommadevara has done very well. He has finished 4th, which is very creditable compared to the field we faced today. And the most disappointing was Deepika Kumari, a veteran archer who at London Olympics has competed as an 18-year-old lady. Now she is pretty old and experienced, but she couldn't really do well. So the point being, we hope that all the archers, both the 3 men and 3 women, both have qualified for the individual as well as the team championships. We have the team women finished 4th and men finished 3rd. That means Indian men will not face Korea in the semi-finals. But the women will face Korea in the semi-finals, and that could be the major setback, because Koreans are known for world beaters.
Yeah, Sabha, can you say, what will you say about this new boy, Dheeraj Bommadevara? He's finished 4th in the men's ranking round, which is, as you said, creditable.
Absolutely. Dheeraj is an excellent talent which has emerged recently after we had this crop of very talented archers like Tarundeep Rai, Jayant Talukdar, Rahul Banerjee and Mangal Singh Champiya and many more. The point is, the boy who hails from Andhra Pradesh has no history of developing recurve archers. Andhra is known for developing and producing more of compound archers. So that has been always been a surprise for everybody in the archery arena. But Dheeraj has been doing very well, and we hope that Tarundi Purai, can eliminate any of the world's best archers in his day, because he's got such a talent and his shooting is most unpredictable, they call it. And Praveen Jadhav, we hope that he only holds his own form so that the Indian team will do well. Traditionally, the men and women teams have done well than the individuals. I think we all Indians are known for being together and fighting together, both in compound archery as well as in recurve archery. Indian teams have done much better internationally. Individually, they are not. But then time has to come that we should be able to prove that we are also good in individually.
Yeah, Sabha, it's the ranking rounds have been played, and as you said, the men have done exceptionally well, and even the women also, they are there in the next round. They're not been eliminated. How do you see that round of 64 going, actually, depending on whom they meet, isn't it?
Yes. Archery is basically a mental game where you fight against yourself. You're not fighting against your opponent. You should know what to shoot, when to shoot, how much to shoot. That is very important. So it is psychologically, and one has to have a very strong temperament to excel. I personally believe that archery and shooting are the two sporting disciplines could give India a lot of medals internationally, especially in Olympics. But somehow shooting has done so well in the recent past, but archery has not come up to the level. We need to do something about it.
Yeah, Dheeraj has shown some spark today. Do you think the expectations will be very high from today onwards?
Yes, we should, but the main point is that the ranking round is only to rank a person in where he stands and who is going to face. Because the higher you are ranked, your next opponent is going to be lower in rank. So that means it's giving you are in good form and the other fellow is not in form. So that gives a big edge to the high ranked players. But it does not mean that low ranked player will not do well on a given day. So archery is such a sport, one arrow can make a difference. So Indian archers should realize that they have to shoot every arrow with precision.
So we can really hope for the best from tomorrow onwards, isn't it?
Yes, it's after this ranking round was introduced by World Archery, the uncertainty of the game has gone up a lot. Previously it was not like that. Previously we used to shoot on over 4 distances like 30, 50, 70 and 90. And the total number of points is taken into account, and we used to, suppose you don't do very well in one particular distance, you make it up in the next distance. Here there's no chance.
Yeah, the first day's archery event is over. Let's hope that one of the teams or Dheeraj crack the thing and win a medal by within 3 or 4 days time.